you guys could see it.
Babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantell's Natural Hair. Slay with Shantell's Natural Hair the natural way. This video is a little different. This is a seafood mukbang, or whatever you want to call it, seafood broil. Okay, I have made a lot of things. This is our dinner tonight, so I am super excited. I have some crabs, I have potatoes, shrimps, we have the teriyaki sauce. Yes, we have rice with sauce on it. We got the butter. We have so many things.
And broccoli. And we got
drinks. What is it called? Like
and we got drinks.
Like
and we got
sauce,
drinks.
broccoli, like it's crunched up or whatever.
Yeah.
But
and we got drinks.
Yeah, we have the drinks as well. So y'all, excuse me, okay? It's nighttime, so I got my hair. I ain't comb or brush my hair or anything, so you know we eat and we chilling, you know, the family chilling. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. But before we jump into this, I just want to say, check out my website. I have a lot of cool things up there. If you want to start your own cosmetic business, lip gloss business, you can. Okay, I offer so many things. We offer so many things on the website. So yeah, we're just gonna go straight into it. I know I got our spoons here. So who wants, do y'all want some rice too on y'all plate?
Yeah.
So this is the rice. Hold on, wait.
Oh, yeah,
so this is the rice. Wait, let me talk, baby. This girl later, she talk. Yeah. So this is the rice that I have made tonight, and it is so good. Oh my gosh, I seasoned it up really good. Everything.
It got teriyaki sauce in there.
Yes. So
that's so yummy.
I don't know if y'all can see that steam, but
how is it still hot?
Because I just took it out the. What are you talking about? I just. So I'm just gonna put Savannah. I'm just gonna put some rice on his plate.
And mine.
Yep, and yours.
I want to taste it. Can I taste it?
Hold on, wait a minute. I'm gonna put everything on there. Hold on, Savannah. And then I'm gonna put some up there for myself. Oh, this is, it's so good, y'all. Okay, so we got that. I also had made some potatoes, shrimps, and some broccoli. Yummy, okay? Ooh, that thing look bomb, don't it? Don't that look good? Look, they ready to eat. Okay, so potatoes.
Yeah.
And remember, we got the sauce and all that stuff too. I know, I got you, baby. Give me a second.
Yeah. Look at the arms. Look at the arms.
Oh, I have to cause the shell's still up there. Jamal, you know how to take the shell off yours, right?
Oh yeah.
You know how to do that. She doesn't know how to do that, so
yeah,
I have to help her. Yeah.
Oh, and we got the tartar sauce.
Smells good, huh?
And we got the tartar sauce. I say tartar.
She started eating already.
I'm gonna try.
Go ahead, try. Savannah, I'm gonna take the shell off of yours, okay, babe?
Can I get the shrimp in there?
Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. She is so excited. Okay, and then my butter is in here. That's my butter.
Butter.
And we got the sauce. Got the sauce in there. We might need some more. I got some more over there. And I got some sauce for the shrimps too. I got some.
Can I, Mommy?
And then crabs. We got crabs, right? Y'all show them y'all crab.
Yeah, we just brought that.
I don't know which one. Just brought that to the, no, pick up, no. Just grab this because you don't want to, you know. So we got that.
This one got
you might as well eat that because you licking it. Let me do this side.
Mommy, yay! Hey.
This is her shrimp. Scoot your chair up, baby. It's good.
Yeah. Hey. The
Go ahead, you
crab.
can eat.
Oh, I wanna.
Yeah.
What about the crab?
Oh yeah, you can get a crab. Get this one. Or you want that
I
one
want
right
that
here?
one with the all that.
Go ahead, get that
I
one
want
then.
this one.
Show them your crab. That's his crab. Oh, guys, by the way, so y'all know my son don't really like to be on camera. He decided to join us, right? He decided he wanted to
Can I
join in
dip
the
that?
fun. No, no double dipping.
I'm not going double dip.
But you just bit that. No. I'm gonna do this one. Okay.
I need to take the shell off, man.
Oh yeah, be careful. The shirt.
Oh.
So guys, like I said, I made all of this food tonight and we still got more in the kitchen, right y'all?
Yeah, it's a lot more.
Yeah, we have a lot more, but I just got this for right now. We're not gonna, you know, overstuff ourselves. I'm gonna dip this in some sauce.
Yeah, it's really bomb. Aww.
Good. Mama, yep, no double dipping.
I'm not.
I don't like that. Okay, yeah, so.
Mommy, I promise I won't double dip.
Oh, I want chocolate.
Mommy,
Very soft.
Mommy, I promise I won't double dip.
No. You don't know what that means, but no. You just bit that.
Wait.
And I got some butter.
It's good.
Ooh, I'm gonna dip it in there.
Oh, what about the broccoli? Oh, smashed up.
What you
Nah,
doing?
said I forgot.
I want butter.
Oh, potato.
Wise.
Potato.
Very, very good. This is so
Good.
good, guys. Like, very good.
Ah, you got sauce on your hands. You got
Did you
sauce.
bite that?
No.
Let me see.
No, I just took a piece of it.
I need to put some on y'all plate.
Woo.
If this won't fit on me.
Yes, it will. Slide it over. Yes, it will.
Oh, thank you.
Don't use it all up.
I'm not.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Ooh.
And then, excuse me. Then I have this. So,
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the tartar sauce.
yeah. I'm going to just put that on my plate. That way I can, you know, dip it or whatever. So,
And enjoy it.
yeah. So,
Still moving.
I'm so glad I made this. This is my first time doing this. Seafood mukbang. Don't drop that. This seafood mukbang thing, I'm definitely excited about. So that's the sauce. Dip that thing.
He got a little meat in there. It's good, Slim?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna dip my fry in there. I mean, not dip my fry. I'm gonna put my rice in there and dip it into my sauce.
Yeah.
Wait. I'm gonna get some of that. Ooh.
She didn't know.
No, I didn't.
His eyes are sticking out.
Eat your food, baby.
Mommy, can I have a string?
Yeah. Hold on. I did, open it up for you.
Yeah, open that thing up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to dip it in here.
Sauce. So good.
That's so good. called again?
You okay?
My ear.
Mm.
I'm sorry. Can you open this pot for me?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Take that.
Thank you.
Side.
You got the rest.
I'm dipping.
Don't make a mess.
Okay, I won't. Mmm. Good.
It's crab. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
We had some earlier. I couldn't really wait, but we got a lot. So
Yeah.
Oop. So it's completely fine. Oh, y'all can dump. You can put the meat
Oh,
in it.
dump the crab in the, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Good. Mommy, I want to taste the crab. Can I-
Okay, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna give you some.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Rice crab is so
It's so what?
hard. The shell.
Come put it on my rice. Ooh, look at that. Dropping this. This is real good.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. Yay! Yay, 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 yay.
She's something else.
Mmm. The sauce in there, like the crab, is good.
So some of y'all know I got the wholesale lip gloss base and stuff on my site. Let's see. Start your business. This is actually really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
I am loving it. Is it good, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Start over some more. I can't see.
This is good. This is bomb. Oh, I wanted to dip my shrimp in there.
And where?
In there.
And where?
In there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh. Cover your mouth.
Excuse me.
I can
Sorry.
do that, baby.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay.
Oh, I really want another shrimp.
I need to break his ass shit.
I really wanted the... Huh?
There.
Yeah.
There go meat.
Mmm. Mmm. That definitely tastes like a shrimp. Why?
What?
Why are they named shrimp?
You said shrimp. Why did they name it shrimp?
Yeah.
Because that's the name of it, baby.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the name. Oh, I'm going to put some of that in there.
Oh, I'm gonna put some butter. I'm gonna put some butter in there. Mom, can I put some butter in there?
Let me do it.
Okay.
Grip the crab. And then
There you go, baby.
break it like that.
Don't put on your clothes. It's dripping.
Where's the butter? Oh,
Bite. Is it good?
yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Yeah, so like I said, I made this and I was just like, you know, I should make a video. So then they were like, Mommy, can we get in the video with you? And I'm like, sure. I think it will be fun. Not only fun, but the food will be good, you know? So they're joining me. Which I don't have a problem with that at all. This food is actually really good though.
That's a really bomb.
Like, it really is. Yeah.
Ooh.
You should never drink all that juice like that.
Oh.
For real.
Water right there.
Now you gotta eat. You ain't get nothing to drink until you eat that food. Eat some of that food.
Yummy, yummy.
Let me know if y'all are enjoying this video so far.
Ooh, ow. The sharp part.
Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. Why are you playing? No playing. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Eat your food. Okay?
Mommy, can you break my crab?
You want one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. I hate the sharp parts.
Huh?
I hate the sharp parts.
Yay! Yay!
And be having some meat in those. Yeah.
Yay! My crab. Oh wait, I wanna dip it.
The inside right here had a lot of meat in there.
We're not gonna double dip.
Yeah. I mean, but that's your sauce in there, so you can double dip if you want to. I was saying, don't double dip into this. You know that Ooh, look all that meat up there.
Is it good?
Hey, show it, baby.
Is it good? Yeah. The double dip? Or not?
Now, if
Mommy?
if it's yours,
Mommy,
like if it's
can I
put it down. Yeah, put it down. If it's your sauce, like you're the only one eating it,
Yeah.
then you can double dip all you want. But if you're doing that with someone else, no, don't double dip. That's nasty.
Ew.
Yeah. Because other people will be dipping their stuff in there too, you know? So everyone, no double dipping at all.
Now I understand.
Yeah. Look at your shrimps, baby. I say shrimps. Crabs. We said that at the same time.
Jinx. I jinxed mommy.
You jinxed me. Yeah, I have to help her with her crabs because she can't do these the way I do them. And then I just actually taught them how to crack the crab and all that stuff today. And he finally has the hang of it a little bit.
Ow.
But her, she doesn't. Be careful. But her, she doesn't. So I have to,
help me.
yeah. Right?
And be careful, you guys. Don't touch the sharp things from the crab. Because you might hurt yourself.
You can cut yourself. Right?
Crabs
Look
are
at his
delicious.
pinchers, you guys. Pinchers. God. Oh.
Oh,
Why you give me this crunchy thing?
that's a,
Ew.
what is it called?
Skin?
I don't know.
No. What is it called?
The part that you're not supposed to eat. That
No.
You think.
No, the, what is it called?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The,
Wait, where did...
oh, the shell. Be
Can
careful.
I dip it in there? Or no? I want double dip.
You already done, you bit that already.
meat all gone. I think the meat all gone. Let me get in there and see. Oh, it's still me. I see. Oh, there you go. I got it.
Don't spill nothing on the floor, y'all.
Mommy, I want.
This is
Yeah, I'm done.
Mommy, I
So
want
good.
some butter.
all the meat is out.
Yep. Mommy, I want the butter.
No, I'll wait till you eat that one first, and I'll do that one with the
What?
Hold on, y'all.
I want another strip.
Oh, thank you.
Put your plate up there.
Mommy, I want another strip.
You gotta eat your rice and stuff first.
My rice?
Eat your food first.
Okay.
You had so many.
So many? So many. Can you eat this part?
Yeah.
Come on, try and break it. Break this.
Huh?
Try and break it.
Be careful. You gotta be careful.
This one got a lot of seasoning in it. It's hot.
Do y'all want mommy to do something like this again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good, ain't it?
But with different food.
Yeah. But I love this too. Like, you know,
Next time, can we do it with fish? With fish.
with fish next time.
You still got more butter in it?
Yeah, what?
I want to try it.
With what? A potato?
Oh, that's what you use it for?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Sit down. Don't get up.
Makes it sweet.
You said sweet. Boy,
It tastes sweet.
I taste butter, baby.
The butter tastes sweet to me.
Oh yeah.
And you guys, I have a channel if you want to see it.
Oh. Yeah, she has a YouTube channel, guys.
I can do. Me and Mommy can do the food challenge versus. I mean, not versus.
This is bomb.
Whoever gets the
Okay, baby.
You guys. Hold on. Nah, I can't get it.
Do it the way I taught you, because I can't keep doing that every time.
What? Do what?
What you trying to do?
I'm trying to show them all this seasoning.
Oh, good. Good.
Oh, I don't want to drop it in your sauce.
You're not good.
Look at this. Look all this
All that meat
seasoning.
from that crab.
All that seasoning that's on there. Why would they put all that seasoning on there? Nah, I don't see it.
Don't put your hands on the chair.
Oh, sorry.
So after this, y'all,
Yeah.
like once we get finished,
Yeah.
I already know. I'm gonna be tired. I'm gonna watch TV.
Savannah, she gonna be asleep.
Yeah, I got a feeling too. You gonna be
I'm
watching
gonna-
TV, ain't
I'm
you?
gonna.
My nails can't get in there like you.
If I did it, you can do it, son.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Be careful. I don't want
Broke
that
it.
stuff popping on me.
nah. I broke the shell. Oh, see me. He's scared.
I know. I know.
Oh, I did it.
Oh.
Look at. Is this his eyeball?
Let me see. Oh, you're spilling it on the carpet.
Is that his eyeball? Is that his eyeball?
Ugh, yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna show them.
Eddie's
Look
eyeball.
at his eyeball. If you guys could see it.
Mommy, can I have butter on there too? Can I have butter on there?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ah, that's scary.
All right, sit down, eat. Don't get on your shirt. Come on, bite, bite,
Look.
bite.
After this, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Mm-hmm.
My hands got a whole bunch of seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, his eyes right here. No. His eyes right here.
Oh, his eyes down there, but what was that?
I don't know. It looked like his eyeball.
Mm.
His eyeball broke.
Mm.
I got his eyeball broke.
Oh.
This is so good food.
I know, baby.
Ooh, there you go.
You make such a good food.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, his top shell right here.
Ooh, I want to stream.
Mm-mm. Got them food, bro.
Ooh, ow.
Huh, Mommy? You talking about the rice?
There we go. Yes.
You talking about the rice?
This took me a while. There you go. Oh, I see.
And then y'all can't forget about these either. It be meat in these. Ooh,
Yeah.
in these too.
I'll be missing some meat.
Mm-hmm. Gotta check for that. Stuck in there.
You are my life. Cause you are my life.
Alright, we're not advertising. We're not advertising. We're not advertising for them. Mm-mm. That ain't what we doing.
We doing it for Mama?
No, I'm just saying in general.
Oh, something.
Oh, it just poked me too. This is so good.
I feel bad for some animals.
My daughter, she's finished. She didn't finish all of her food. So, she's in there playing or whatever. But,
Oh,
me and son, we're enjoying this food, right? You want some rice?
yes.
Ooh, excuse me. Okay, so my favorite part. You said my favorite part, what?
About the food?
What do you mean about it?
I mean, you don't know what I'm saying?
No, you gotta explain to me what you're saying.
The favorite part, like the potatoes or the crabs or the rice or something?
All of it. I don't know how to explain it.
Oh,
All of it's good. Mm.
good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Oh, and just to let y'all know as well that one of my subscribers did say that I should do the lip glosses wholesale. So I'm thinking about doing that because I think that would help girls or, you know, or women as well start their own business. Not only that, if they already have their own cosmetic business, then I can provide those things to them. So I did think about it, and I think it would be a excellent idea. I think it would be a very good idea. So y'all might see that on my website. So yep. Oop. I just dropped my potato. Right there, baby. They're so cute and small, and they're soft. I love soft potatoes. I don't like when they're like crunchy. I don't know what it is. This is very good. Whatever we don't finish, I just put it in the refrigerator. We all can eat this tomorrow. Because that's one thing about me, I'm not going to eat until I get sick. Like, no. I'm not doing that. I guess my son is finished because he didn't come back yet. Oh, here I am. Close the door. This is very good.
Oh, almost fell.
You want anything else or you good? Yes or no? Don't just say yeah, just say.
Yeah, you want that shrimp right there?
Go ahead, get it.
No, thank you.
That thing bomb too. That's all. Wow, we only got, y'all look. It was a lot on this plate. We only got
A little bit.
2 potatoes and 1 shrimp. And then the rest is like
Just smushed up broccoli.
smushed up, yeah, broccoli.
Potato.
Yeah, and potato. But other than that,
Look at their legs. Look at the shrimp's legs. They have a half word left.
and we got, how many crabs right there? We got a whole
2.
bunch of crabs. But I only put enough out that I know we will eat. Yeah, so we got 2 right there. And on my plate, I only got a little bit of rice and 1 potato.
I gotta make my teriyaki sauce. Only gotta do a bit.
I got some more potatoes if you want some.
Oh yeah, I love those.
You look, I know you kept saying, it's like, Mommy, you should, what you say? I should get some potatoes or something.
No.
What?
I said that the main part that I probably like is the potatoes.
Oh yeah, you did.
The broccoli, the rice, and that's it.
Pass me that.
What?
The
Right?
no, the shrimp sauce.
Oh.
No.
Oh, I mean, this. It's hard.
Put a little bit. Put a little bit of that on my sleep.
It seems like the main part you like is the sauces.
I like everything.
I can't believe we're still eating. You making me laugh.
I'm going to sleep. I'm tired.
Good night. You said you was going to sleep.
Oh, somebody ain't opened this.
Blame me. Cause when I ain't put mine like that, I put mine right here.
Y'all, we got so much food on this table, like. Oh.
He's looking at you. But upside down.
Give me that crab.
This one right. Or just
It doesn't matter. Just give me one.
oh, he's stuck.
I know. Thank you.
Welcome. I gave you that one because that one had the days in there and that one did.
Oh, yeah.
That's more right.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ooh.
See, told you season is spicy.
Yeah, when they put a lot on it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's spicy.
That's
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of meat up in here. Ooh,
What?
something crunchy.
This video is fun.
Yeah, this is fun, ain't it? Not only that, but even though we always bond, you know?
Who? Me?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Even though we always bond, this is still. Where did my other piece go?
What?
Crab.
Oh, right there. Hip.
Are you sure?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Anyway,
You had two parts.
yeah, I did. Yeah, so like I was saying, even though we always bond together and do things together, this is still fun because it's something different.
That we haven't. I mean, we did a mukbang before, but we never did nothing like this before.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Even if you taste a little bit, still.
I gotta drink something. Huh?
Even if you taste a little bit, taste a little bit.
Taste a little bit of what?
Just the seasoning.
Boy, I just tasted. Why you think I'm coughing? Why you think I'm coughing?
No, I'm talking about tasting. If you taste a little bit, you'll see it still tastes spicy.
Boy.
See, look, watch this. Watch when I taste a little bit. See this? Spicy.
I ain't dealing with you. Oh.
What? Where's your other piece?
I have no clue.
Got that?
I don't know.
Well, it's that one right there. You want that one?
We can say that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
You fool.
Alright. So y'all, I'm about to end this
Seafood video.
seafood mukbang, seafood royal video, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed us making this video. Y'all will get to see all of this, the damage that we have
The damn.
done.
Oh, this. Huh?
Yeah. So
Ooh.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not, I repeat, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Excuse my hands. I understand. They're messy. I got seasoning all over them. I got,
Yeah. Why are you talking?
I got, what is it called?
Crab seasoning?
Sauce too.
Oh yeah.
All over, yeah. So, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed. Ooh. And we will see you next, well, I will see y'all next time. Okay? Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my website. Everything will be in the description box below. Support a girl, support a small business, and I really appreciate it. We will see y'all next time. Bye, babes.